morning. I'm Daniel from Teyes, Malaysia. So today we have Perodua Ativa installed Teyes Luxone 12.3-inch Android player. So come, let's check it out. Here we are. We have the Teyes Luxone on a Perodua Ativa. This 12.3-inch. It looks very nicely. It sits nicely floating on the dashboard of Perodua Ativa. Unlike the usual 10-inch Android players, it is very high. But with this, it sits just perfectly nice. So as you can see, Teyes Luxone, it has Android functions. It supports CarPlay and Android Auto. On top of that, it has its own DVR functions also that comes with ADAS function where it has a lane departure and forward collision warning. This is for safety purpose. It also has built-in DSP. It will enhance your sound quality. It supports trajectory line. Teyes Luxone supports voice control too. Hi Teyes. Play music. Next track. Volume up. Back to menu. Contact us to know more information. Thank you.